Alright, we'll see if you can hear me over this loud diesel. Anyway, because some people have been asking, it's oil change day, so just a quick little look around here. Here's my hydraulic fill, diesel fill, starter, switch, hydraulic lockout, switch between track expand and blade up down, lights, information center. Down here I've got this pedal operates the hydraulic thumb, this pedal operates the swing motor, swing boom, and then I've got forward and reverse pedals and handles, and this one here is my blade up down. So we're just letting her warm up so we can change the oil. So I'm just going to climb down and do a quick tour. So a lot of the grease fittings are proper Zerks. Nice protected lines here at the bend and movement points. Hydraulic lines everywhere else that are regular. Protect it. It's nice and neat at the thumb. Comes into my on-off block. Hydraulic cylinder line. The thumb. It's got a quick attachment that I put on there so I can easily swap buckets out, but I may or may not keep that on there. Has a 7-foot digging depth. Not bad tracks. And then her canopy.